Today we're going through how you can restore your Wagemaster file into the previous revision. I'm pretty sure most of you are aware of what this, but let me quickly run you through. As you can see, my file manager is already open. So if you go with the open read only, it will open the most recent revision from the cloud, and you can open button. So the difference open and open read only, if you open, but if you click on open button, actually you can enter data and it's gonna save in the file. But if you open read only, it will allow you to enter data, process payslip and everything, but it's not gonna save in the file. So open read only button, it's very handy if you want to test something out. For example, if you update an employee pay rate, and if you want to see what's their gross look like for the pay period and what's their tax, you can run it on the open read only. Now, as you can see, it will say the most recent revision as in current, but if I assume I just want to have a look, if I did a mistake 2 months ago, if I want to have a look on the what the file looks like 2 months ago, all you have to do is just click on three dots on your right. You can open file as read only. I would always recommend you to open the file read only first to confirm that this is the one you want to restore it. If you confirm that one, then you come again into the file manager and click on restore file. So this is very straightforward process, and this is the additional feature that Agrimaster and Wagemaster clients get it with their cloud, because as you might aware, like most of the cloud programs does not have this feature, either the read only or restore the file. Alright, so thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book 101 consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this a video like if you enjoy it. Thank you. Have a great day.